Priv by BlackBerry gives you the freedom to choose between a virtual keyboard or a physical keyboard for speed and accuracy. When you tap any text field, your on-screen keyboard will automatically appear if the slider is closed. If at any point you'd like to hide your on-screen keyboard, just tap the down arrow in the bottom bar, or snap the slider open to free up valuable screen space. Press and hold a letter to make it a capital. Alternatively, you can press the Shift key followed by the letter. To turn on Caps Lock, press and hold the Shift key. These techniques work on both the physical and on-screen keyboards. To type numbers and symbols on the touchscreen or slider keyboard, swipe down. If you don't see the character you're looking for, swipe down again to scroll to the next page. Tap the number or symbol you want, or press the corresponding key on your slider keyboard. If you're using the physical keyboard, you can type the alternate character shown on the keys by pressing Alt first. To get an accented letter while using the physical keyboard, press and hold the letter to reveal a row of options. Then, just tap the character you want to insert. If you need to type an accented letter while using the on-screen keyboard, touch and hold the letter you want to add an accent to, then drag your finger to the accented character. The list of available accents depends on your current input language settings. Swipe right to left on either keyboard to delete one word at a time. Your Priv by BlackBerry is designed to learn what you usually type and where you tend to type it. When you're typing using the on-screen keyboard, word suggestions appear above the letters. To use a suggestion, place your finger below the word and flick it up towards the screen. If you're using the slider keyboard, these suggestions appear along the bottom of the screen in columns. Swipe your finger upwards on the physical keyboard underneath the word you want to insert. By default, the BlackBerry spell checker is turned on. As you type, spelling mistakes are underlined red. To make corrections, tap the underlined word. Now you can choose one of the suggested words, or tap Add to Dictionary. When your full physical keyboard is revealed, it doubles as a large, touch-sensitive trackpad for scrolling and fine cursor control. This allows you to navigate without touching or covering the screen. For instance, double-tap the keyboard to insert the cursor into a block of text. To move it to a specific spot, just slide your thumb left, right, up, or down. You can also scroll through lists and web pages by swiping your thumb up and down. To select text, you can touch and hold a word and then drag the cursor handles until your entire selection is highlighted. Or just move your cursor handle to the beginning or end of your selection. Hold the Shift key, then drag your thumb along the screen or slider keyboard until your entire selection is highlighted. Move character by character or line by line by tapping the outside edges of the physical keyboard. When text is selected, you can tap Copy or Cut. This icon will select all of the text in the field. When you're ready to paste, just touch and hold the spot where you want to insert your text and tap Paste. Add some personality to your writings with emojis. Using the on-screen keyboard, touch and hold the period key, and then tap the emoji icon. On the slider keyboard, press and hold the microphone key. You can switch between categories along the bottom. Swipe left to see more options. Tap ABC to return to the keyboard view. The keyboard already does so much for you. Why not let it do everything? Press and hold the microphone key and start talking.
The team lead reports to a project manager.
When you're done, press the close icon. To change the display and input languages, swipe down from the top frame twice. tap the settings icon, then language and input. This is where you can set your display language. To change the input language, tap Current Keyboard. Or tap BlackBerry keyboard settings to personalize your typing experience. You can customize the prediction and correction settings, adjust key press feedback settings, or turn advanced typing features on and off. Aside from typing, your slider keyboard performs other tasks to help you be more productive. For instance, you can wake the display on your device quickly by sliding the keyboard open. If you have an incoming phone call, slide your keyboard open and you'll be prompted with some instant reply options in addition to answer or decline. Priv by BlackBerry gives you the keys to make life more productive in a remarkably slim design.